Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one more function, which is start of quarter. So let's begin. So we have this calendar which is starting from 2018 April and ending at 2021 March. Now we will try to create start of quarter. Now start of quarter does not ask for anything like end of year or something like that. So as long as you are on, let's say your calendar is starting from January, April, July and October, you're fine because your start of quarter will match. So let's say I say start QTR and I use start of quarter. And see, this only require one parameters and we are going to give date of date. And so see, because it's April, you're fine to have this. And then the next one is July. So as long as your quarters are starting April, July, October, you're fine with it. But what happens if your calendar does not start with that? Now that's for that we have logged the enhancement request. I'll give you the link. You can vote for that, where actually the calendar does not start. There should be an end date which actually can correct the quarters now. But while it is not there, there is a way workaround. So let's say what happens if it start on 5th May and ends at April, and we end at April only. So now this is our calendar which is starting. Now we have to work out on these things also. So we have to call it, let's say 4:30, 4 and 30, and similarly we have to make it also as 4:30. So start and end year are adjusted. So years are adjusted. You might see, okay, the quarter is adjusted, but when you go below, you see that the next quarter is starting at July. Now this is because the dates are not available. Again, start quarter and end of quarter and start year and end year, there's one big problem. We know if the date is not available, whatever is the minimum date available, it is shooting for that. So actually it should have it just showing the start of the quarter as 1st May, because there is no date available before it. But see, we have May, June and July as the first quarter, then August should be the next quarter. So what we are not getting that. So let's try to build up a quarter manually now. So what we have to do for that? So first of all, what we have to do is we have to subtract our dates from start. So start of year. So we will create a date diff, and we will say from the start of the year, take the date difference in months. Okay, and let's observe this. Now you get 000 and then you get 111 and then you get 222. All these you need. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to say I'm going to need a quotient for this. So I'm going to get a quotient for 3 and I'll tell you how does it work now. Okay, so we say quotient for 3. So now what it becomes. So now you will see this is 0000 till what place it is 0. So it is 0 till 31st July. That's what my first quarter. From 1st of August is my second quarter. It is now 1111 and it is 1 till 31st October. So May, June, July, August, September and October, second quarter, which is 1. So now what I need to add? I need to add 3 months because I need to add the quarter. So now where I need to add? I need to, again, to the start of the year, I need to add this back. So what I need to do is, again, I need to do date add. Okay, where I need to add the date. So I need to add date into the start of year. Let me start of year. Now in the start of year, I don't need to add. I need to add 3 times whatever it is. So I multiply it by 3 and then I add it. So when it is 0, I don't need to add anything basically. So there is some error. Let's look at this quotient 3 and then date add, and we have to tell what we are adding. So we are actually adding months, or we could have actually said quarter also. Let's try that out later. Okay, so this is correct till this place. Now we are not getting any date out here. Start of year. Okay, start of year does not have all the dates. So that is one challenge. Now start of year does not contain that month date. So it will not give us. So let's see. We will actually go ahead and create actually go ahead and do, I checked in the other file, we have to again create start of year on date because we wanted to do it on date column. So we have to again go ahead and create start date again, and let's go ahead and create, which was our 430. 430, where is, so basically it needs a continuous column, and that's where with the start of year it is not going to work out. So now it is going to work out. So now you got it. Okay, so this is one thing because it needs start continuous date. So there could be always that we use start of the year and it still does not work out. So what we have to do, so this is what we have to do. We have to actually again go back and create the year on the date column and then go back and edit. So this way you will get, this is we can call start qtr custom. Now another thing which we could have done is what happens if you want to use quarter, then we have option for quarter, and then we can actually, we don't need to multiply it by this one. Let's see, but I have a doubt the way quarter works in see Power BI, but I think it is working correctly. Let's see, do we go second, fifth? Okay, fine. So it seems fine to me. So go ahead and try these things out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Thank you.